Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how to make easy, perfect finger food that can be used at any time. These are called cheese straws and they are crunchy and delectable and they are so easy to make. So let's get right into the kitchen. Now I have some ingredients of cheese, grated cheese, flour, some hot pepper sauce, some mustard, and a dish. I also have some butter. The cheese and butter must be used at room temperature, and that way it would be easy to mix together. And the mixture will be soft enough to be piped used in a hand mixer until everything is well combined. Here I'm adding some mustard and some hot pepper sauce, which is going to give the cheese straw some flavor. And I'll use a hand mixer now and mix. So I'm going to scrape the sides of the bowl now. And this is a very good texture. Now I'm going to add the flour a little at a time and keep mixing. And you know you get a very good mixture when you mix the dough and there's nothing leave onto your finger. Now I'm going to place the mixture into a cookie press. And I did prepare a large sheet pan with parchment paper. I'll now pipe the mixture onto the parchment paper. Pipe the mixture for about 3 to 4 inches in length and leave about 1 inch in space, just so that when the cheese straws are baked, they would not spread out and touch the sides of each other. While I'm piping the cheese straws, I did set the oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And guys, I did get a mishap with my cookie press. I have to use the other one here, and it's still doing a very good job. So once I'm finished piping these cheese straws here, I'm going to place them into the oven and let them bake for 10 minutes or until golden brown. After 10 minutes of baking, this is what my cheese straws looks like, guys. They're so crunchy, they're so tasty, and you must allow them to cool before removing them from the pan. And this makes a great finger food, guys. You must try this. Leave me a comment, let me know how it turns out. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Press that subscribe button. Also press that notification bell to be notified when I upload another video. And if there's anything in mind that you want me to make, then just leave me a comment and I sure will do the honors. Thank you for coming in the kitchen with Lynn, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.